Hey, it's Gina from WTI. Did you know that there's whiskey glasses that can actually enhance your drinking experience? I was pretty skeptical when I first tried these double-walled whiskey glasses from James Bentley. I wasn't sure if it was true that the way that the glass is shaped inside would actually make a difference in how things tasted. I prefer to sip my whiskey on the rocks without a mixer, and my husband picked up what I would consider a mixing whiskey. So we did a taste test with it in just a regular glass, and I was right, it was not something that I would want to sip. But when I swirled the whiskey to aerate it inside this glass, it actually tasted so good I was able just to sip it on the rocks. So there really is science behind the design of this glass. The protrusions inside speed up the ethanol evaporation process, which increases the taste and aroma of the whiskey. And I have to say, it's absolutely true. We even tasted it with some friends and had them compare. They said it tasted way better and they actually enjoyed it without mixing. Not only are these glasses beautiful, but I love that their double wall construction helps the liquid inside to stay colder longer. And the company sends you silicone ice molds so that you can make the perfect size sphere to fit inside the glass. If you want to up your whiskey tasting game, then I recommend trying out these glasses from James Bentley. I can't believe what a difference it's made in the taste and aroma of the whiskey that I've tasted in it. And that's my point of view.